Flooding rains on top of San Antonio. There is some good news. Number one, that we're seeing most of this rain die down a bit. It's still very heavy, but at least the heaviest is not falling over the city right now. We do have a flood advisory till 8:45 tonight. A flood advisory, not a flash flood warning. What's the difference? Well, a flood advisory is really focused in on poor drainage areas, low-lying areas, low water crossings, the most susceptible, where you normally see the flooding. And that's what's going to happen now for almost all of the city. Now, we're going to soon be blanketed, the entire county, with rainfall. All that's left behind right now and dry is St. Hedwig and Elmendorf. A lot of lightning with this, too. As I throw on the lightning tracker, you can definitely see and hear the thunder associated with a lot of cloud-to-ground lightning. So the flash flood warning. Now, remember, this does include the I-10 corridor for Boerne, where we do have flood reports around Boerne and then dropping into northern Bexar County. This is in effect until 7:45. So this is the only local warning that we have. Out to the west, this severe thunderstorm was expired as far as what we had producing quarter-size hail, winds of about 50 miles per hour. Well, this storm has weakened enough that they canceled that warning. And then I was watching the hail core on this storm, and it's completely gone now. But just south of Hondo, it was huge. It was about the size of my fist. And it actually had some quarter-size hail in there. I thought maybe if any warning was going to go soon, it was going to be this storm, but it's already starting to weaken just a bit. You can see we're Devine and then some very heavy rain in Somerset. This is a little bit of hail right here. Just some very small, maybe pea-size hail. Also a little spot right there showing up. Again, that's why I've got the hail tracker on. All right, so rainfall rates have been very impressive, 3 to 4 inches per hour. That's why we've dealt with the flooding, because as soon as this rain starts, within about 2 hours, you're getting some flood concerns, especially in the low water areas. All right, so here's the future radar. By 9 p.m., we're done. I mean, we're going to see a few leftover showers, but most of this rain should be ending by, say, 8:30, 9 p.m. Tomorrow, we've got some sea breeze rainfall possible down to the south and east. All right, so speaking of south and east, that's where this camera is. Southeast Bexar County in Elmendorf, and this rain's coming in from the north. It'll soon be all over this nice greenery in your foreground. You saw that lightning over the CPS power plant. Temperature right now 72, nice and rain cooled. West-northwest outflow wind at nearly 20 miles per hour. So definitely feeling pretty good out there. Air quality in good shape, unless you're in Houston. Unhealthy for sensitive groups there. 7-day forecast. Tomorrow's rain chance only 10%. Most of that's going to be southeast. 87 the high. We'll drop rain chances for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Thursday, Friday, cloud up and get a little bit more breezy, and then we bring back a chance of rain. It's going to be 20% on the first Saturday of June, and Sunday a little bit better at 30%.